Right, boys, another trade recap for today. I have skipped yesterday's trade recap, and I won't do it in this video because there's a couple of trades that we'll need to add up, but I will get around to it. I'll do it tomorrow or something, but I just want to get this one out of the way because I've already got it on my chart and everything's all set up. As you can see, all the VIPs ate today from this Euro trade. I'll show the wins chart now as proof of every single person. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you think it's going to stop? No. More. Still going. You know what I'm saying, boys? VIPs keep eating. I'm not even going to advertise that. Show the truth. I shouldn't even have to advertise it. It should be obvious. This was the EU trade. Tap and barrel classic here. 0 drawdown. Tapped and filled. I'll start with a bias and we'll go down to the entry as per usual. Nothing too serious on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Started here, ended here. Bullish volume to the upside. Nice, creating some good distance from that 5th candle. That's all I'm looking for here. 4 hour. I'm just looking for significant lows and significant highs getting raised. What have we had? 1, 2, 3 getting raised. 1, 2, 3 getting raised. Bullish on the 4 hour. Hourly, some people had some confusion here because they thought, okay, but we've broken to the downside. Look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we did, but then we broke straight back to the upside. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me, 1, 2, 3. Bullish on the 1 hour, 4 hour daily, which means what? Going down into the 5 minute, marking out London lows. London lows were taken right here. Put the Fibonacci tool at the top. Wait for that first bullish candle to form, which was the sweep candle. Then price instantly tapped the fake out zone so we can delete that straight away. Then looking for the nearest break of structure to the upside off of a fractal after the sweep, after the fake out, which we get right here. We put our fib tool from the bottom of the move to the top until we get filled. We got tapped nicely here, and then I did get a trailing stop, but it did just end up being like 2.9R anyway. So the trailing stop today wasn't really a massive benefit, but that's the hit and miss with the data. Do you know what I'm saying, boys? It's always going to be some good, some bad. This oil trade we are still in. Top step will auto close me at 9. I think that's probably going to be what will take me out of this trade. I mean, I can't predict volume. Could come in at any time, could get stopped out. But yes, we also passed a brand new top step as well today with an oil trade because all I needed was 2R to pass it. So we've got another top step. So we have 250k to top step now. And I'm now at 400k total funding with prop firms and then 100k funding of my own money from prop firm payouts. So hit that $500,000 today, mate. Big milestone. And we continue to stay gassed, but stay level headed. Still journaling all my trades. Still got all the data to back my model. Still staying consistent every day. Still never breaking my rules. That's the only way that you can win in this game, is playing the game long term, still tracking everything, doing all the right things. So, no, I'm saying. Notes here, I can say, took out on eval top step 2 pass. Just so that I know why I got 2R on that one, just in case it doesn't end up being a 3R win and it's a different result here, just so I can track it a bit easier. Because as you know, if I'm trading multiple accounts and then they're taking the same trade but the result is different, it's fucking a ball ache to track. And I try to be as transparent as I can with you guys, but sometimes it's just hard to track because I'm taking like the same trade on like 8 accounts, bro. And I'm trying to track it as best as I can without duplicating the trade, because if I was to put Euro USD and track it per account, I would just put 8 Euro USDs and then it just looks fucking stupid. So I try to like divvy it up between the FTMOs, the top steps and the ACG, but yeah, you know what I'm saying, bro. It's hard to do that. But just a quick one for me today, boys, because I just needed to get this out of the way because I've got to go do some shit. But here's the trade recap. Here's the oil trade as well. I'm going to probably go over the result of that on next trade recap because it would have hit by then, SL or TP. So not going to go over that today, but you know what I mean, bro. I will go over it at some point. And then tomorrow as well, I'm going to film the trade recaps for these trades here. Gold and no, these ones here, yeah. These 3 I haven't done. And then obviously I've just done this one, and then I will do this one. So I'll probably do 4 in tomorrow's app. Ooh, let's put this is, it's a 9:30. Yeah. We'll do boom. Yeah. Right. Oh, actually, to be fair, what am I even talking about? CHF was today. I'm literally tired. I can show you the CHF loss now. That was in London session. Ignore me. I'm a loser. While the Starlink loads. I have my protein yogurt. There you go, there's a trade. Okay, wait. Bias. Boom. Daily. Bullish. clear, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, clear. I'm not even going to explain that. 4 hour significant highs and lows, bit more of a tricky one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bullish from this leg, never broke down to bearish. Guess why? On the high side, we've had 1, and then you might think 2, but if we actually go on the line chart and align where this isn't a V shape or an N shape. I mean, it is a V shape on the low, but we're looking at the high. This is where we've drawn that candle. This is where that candle is. This is not a significant high. The one next to it is this one. If we look at the difference, look at that. This is that structure that's attached to that wick. So we only had 2 significant highs getting lowered, then instantly raised. So we didn't actually break structure to the downside. So we're still bullish on that previous leg. So then we're bullish on all time frames because the hourly is clearly bullish as well. So going into London session, we took buys, which means we were waiting for the Asian sweep, then a fake out, waiting for that first bullish candle to form, then an instant pulled back down in volume to fake us out. Then a break of structure to the upside right here. Fib tool on the whole move. We got entered about here, stopped out pretty quick. That's the game. We made money today on EU, so we overpowered that loss by miles. But anyway, that'll be it for me today, boys. I'm going to peace, love, and unity out. Discord's in the description. You know where to go. See you, boys, in the next one.